How are you? Good morning. Okay. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new language class. Okay.
Buenos días, profe.
Good morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Before to start, guys, please listen carefully. Okay. You have to say present or here. Let's see what it is. Okay, guys. So listen to me. Listen carefully. Aguiñaga José. Casquete Salazar.
Present.
Guerrero Espín.
Present, profe, present.
Herrera Leoro.
Present.
Pazmiño y Triago.
Presente.
Piña Villa. Rivas José. Rodríguez Silvers.
Present.
Vela Rosado de Ciré. Benalcázar Rodríguez. Calderón Peña. Cantos Gilliam. Escobar Villavicencio.
Present.
García Eric.
Present.
López Angélica. López. Navarro Jeremy.
Present.
Palacios Emily.
Present.
San Lucas Zambrano. Vera Guadamuz.
Present.
Torres Mendoza.
Present.
Verde Soto.
Present.
Villota.
Present.
Ben Macías.
Present.
Okay, very good, guys. Now let's continue. Okay, on Friday, we saw the topic about the first conditional, okay? So today, please, everyone, open your student book, okay? Open the student book, page number 81, okay? No, sorry, page number 80. Page number 80, okay? Okay, no, sorry. It's number 79, sorry. Page number 79, this one. Let me show you. 79, okay? Over here we have the first conditional, okay? But before to do the exercise about first conditional, look the grammar reference, okay? Over here we have the grammar reference, okay? How do we form the first conditional, okay? And when do we use the first conditional? We use the first conditional to talk about likely situations. Do you remember the meaning about likely? The same if you say for possible situations, okay? Likely has the same meaning with possible. Likely situations for actions or possible situations for actions. We have two classes to do or to form to make the first conditional. In the conditional clause, the first clause, we have the if plus present simple. For example, if we run. Then we have the other clause, the main clause or the result clause. In the result clause, we have to use will and any verb in infinitive. Infinitive verb in base form. For example, we'll catch the bus. So if we put together these two clauses, we have to say if we're wrong, when you write, you have to use the comma in the middle, and then we'll catch the bus, connect with the other clause, okay? Other example, if we done wrong, comma, we won't catch the bus. Rivas. Wait a minute, guys. Rivas. Okay, it's here. Okay. The conditional clause can start or finish the sentence. For example, if you work hard, comma, you'll pass your exam. Okay. There is a comma after the conditional clause. Please, guys. Okay. Piña was here. Yes, Piña is here. Okay, sorry. Okay. So if you work hard, comma, you will pass the exam. Sorry, San Lucas. San Lucas. Okay. There is a comma after the conditional clause. What is the conditional clause? This one, if you work hard, okay? If you start with this word, if, in the middle, you have to use the comma, okay? Before the main or result clause, okay? In the result clause, we use will or want, okay? In this clause, we use the will or want, okay? But we have other forms. Do you remember on Friday I explained these two forms using the comma in the middle and the form number 2 using the word if in the middle, and we start with the result clause. For example, we can use the same examples. In the first form, we say if you work, comma, you'll pass your exam. But in this number 2, we can use the same, only change the positions, okay? We start with the result clause. You'll pass your exam, and in the middle, there is no comma. We have to use the word if. Page number 79. In this page, I explain only to make a review, okay? In this form, we have to use the word if, know the comma, and continue with the present simple. You pass your exam if you work hard, okay? We can use the first conditional to talk about the future, but we use a present tense verb after if, okay? Always we use the present tense, present simple verb after if, after, okay? As you can see, we have if, you, and work. Work is in present simple, always. If you see, okay, if, the sentence start with if, we have to put the verb in base form. And then we have to use will or want, because will or want, we use will or want to talk about future, okay? So that is the example about we can use the first conditional to talk about the future. Okay, now everyone, page number 79. We are going to practice the exercise using the first conditional. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, first conditional. Over here we have the examples. Look at these sentences. Are they talking about present or the future? Okay, we have to identify if both sentences, okay, are talking in present or in future. Okay, start with the number 1. Please, Miss Palacios, read the sentence number 1.
If do my job well, my students will sleep, work, and play better.
And play better. Very good. So if I do my job well, my students will sleep, work, and play better. Don't confuse with this comma, okay? In this case, we use this comma because this is a grammatical rule, okay? Sleep, comma, work. The sentence are giving examples, okay? So my students will sleep, work, and play better. So the number one is in present or is in future, Miss Macias?
If do my job well, my student will sleep, work, and play better.
Okay, the sentence is in present or is in future?
Work, present.
Present. Okay. Okay, yes, it's both of them. It's in future and it's in present. Okay. This sentence, only in this case, we can say that this sentence is in present and also is in future, but only this case. Why? Because if you read very well this sentence, if I do my job well, okay, I'm talking in present, my students will sleep, work, and play better. It's talking in present and in future, okay? Now, the number two, I'll, please read Mr. Villota, I'll be Mr. Villota, read number two. Mr. Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
The future.
Yeah, but read the sentence.
He'll be happy if I make enough money to buy my outfit flat.
Okay. The correct pronunciation is I'll, not ill. I'll. And the correct pronunciation of this word is no buy, is buy. Okay. So I'll be happy if I make enough money to buy my own flat. Is in present or is in future? Miss Desiree say is in future. And yes, it's in future. Okay. Torres, very good. It's in future. Why? Okay. In the number one, why is present in future? Because we can say it's in present and future because we start with the if. If you see the sentence start with if, this sentence is in present and also is future because we have a consequence over here. Okay, this is a consequence. The result clause is in future. It's talking in present and it's talking in future. But if we start with will, okay, with the result clause, and then we use the present simple, the conditional clause, this is only talking in future. Why? Because I'll be happy, I'm talking in future, if I make enough money to buy my own flat. This sentence is it's a, how do we say this? Okay, you suppose that you will happy if you make money. This sentence or this action, okay, don't occur. Right now, don't occur this sentence. Okay, this action don't occur, don't happen because you are sad because you don't have money. So you suppose you'll be happy if you make enough money to buy your own flat. Okay, so the action is talking in future because it starts with will. Okay, not in present, only future. Very good. Now, let's see the answer. We have the number one, present and future, and the number two, only in future. Okay, so You have to always, when you read sentence, you have to read and understand that what are saying that sentence, okay, or the action. So let's continue with the number 2. We have a listening part. Listen and complete the conversation between Martha Larsen and the journalist who interviewed her. Okay, so listen carefully, guys. You have to complete in your student book this conversation, okay? Let me see if you can hear. Yes. Okay, listen carefully.
Unit 11, Grammar, Exercise 2.
Thank you for the interview, Martha. That was very interesting.
You're welcome.
So, could you be my personal trainer? I need to get fit.
If you want me to be your personal trainer, I'll be very happy to help you.
I should tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard.
You won't get fit if you don't work hard.
Oh well, never mind.
Okay, listen again. The last chance, listen again.
Unit 11, Grammar, Exercise 2.
Thank you for the interview, Martha. That was very interesting.
You're welcome.
So, could you be my personal trainer? I need to get fit.
If you want me to be your personal trainer, I'll be very happy to help you.
I should tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard.
You won't get fit if you don't work hard.
Oh well, never mind.
Okay, guys, so
Unit-
the number 1. Okay, the journalist started, thank you for the interview, Martha. That was very interesting. Martha said, you're welcome. Journalist, so could you be my personal trainer? I need to get fit. Martha answered, if you need to be your personal trainer, what verb Martha used in this part? Mr. Casquete. According to the track, okay, in this part, if you, what verb used Martha? Do you know? Do you have this answer? Yes or no? No. Okay. Listen, Mr. Casquete. Listen again the track, okay?
11, Grammar, Exercise 2.
Thank you for the interview, Martha. That was very interesting.
You're welcome.
So, could you be my personal trainer? I need to get fit.
If you want me to be your personal trainer...
Okay, so Martha say, if you
Want.
want, very good. If you want me to be your personal trainer, okay, listen again. The number 2, I be very happy to help you. Listen.
My personal trainer? I need to get fit.
If you want me to be your personal trainer, I'll be very happy to help you.
Okay, so if you want me to be your personal trainer, we use what over here, Martha? Who can tell me? Garcieri.
Was.
Was? Are you sure? Was? Okay, Garcieri, what do you think?
Very.
Can you repeat the...
Okay, listen. Miss Torres, very good, Miss Torres. Okay, but don't say anything. Okay, don't say anything, Miss Torres. Shh.
My personal trainer? I need to get fit.
If you want me to be your personal trainer, I'll be very happy to help you.
Okay, so Martha say,
will?
yes, will. The contraction,
won't.
No, that is for negative. The contraction of will. I will, the contraction is?
Won't.
No.
No.
I'll. Remember, the contraction I will is apostrophe double L. I'll be very happy to help. But yes, it's will. So we have to use a contraction, okay? So I should tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard. Martha, okay, laughed, haha. You get fit if you work hard. So listen again, guys, this part.
I should tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard.
You won't get fit if you don't.
Martha say if you, no, sorry, you, what? Listen again.
Personal trainer, I'll be very happy to help you.
I should tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard.
You won't get fit.
Okay. Mr. Piña. What is the answer in this part? You? Okay. Mister, you have to write in English, not in Spanish. Only in English. Okay, mister? Okay, no, listen again. Okay. Mister, please write in English, not in Spanish. Okay.
I should tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard.
You won't get fit if you don't.
Okay. So the answer is you. Who can help the Mr. Piña? One. Okay. Almost. Okay. The correct answer. No. Yeah. I know you hear the word, but you have to write this. Won't. Okay. But it's correct. Very good, Mr. Piña. Okay. But it's won't with N, not with you. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. You have to write in English, Mister, not in Spanish. In English. Okay. Want. Haha. You won't get fit if you, Mr. Herrera, listen.
Don't work hard.
Tell you I'm very lazy and I don't like to work too hard.
You won't get fit if you don't work hard.
Oh well.
Okay. You won't get fit if you, Mr. Herrera. Sorry?
The teacher put repeat
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Fit if you don't work hard.
Like to work too hard.
You won't get fit if you don't work hard.
Okay, so the answer is?
You don't.
Very good, don't. Mr. Casquete, very good too. It's don't, okay? You won't get fit if you don't work hard, okay? So let's check the answers, guys. Okay, very good, okay? Everything is okay, it's correct. Number one, want. Don't confuse the pronunciation with these words. This is want, and this one is won't, okay? Don't confuse. Want, won't, want, won't, okay? Don't confuse the pronunciation, okay? Now, okay, very good. Now, let's continue with the next exercise. Let me see. Okay, over here we have the rules, okay? The sentences in exercises 1 and 2 are often called the first conditional. Complete the rules with present or possible, okay? Now, let's check the rules. The number 1, we use the first conditional to talk about what will happen in space in blank situations. And then number 2 say we form the first conditional with if, then we have to use a time over here, and will or want plus infinitive. So the number 1, Mr. Navarro, tell me the number 1. We use the first conditional to talk about what will happen in what, Mr. Navarro? Okay, listen, you have to complete the rules using the words present or possible, okay? In the number 1, we use the first conditional to talk about what will happen in present or possible situations.
Present.
Are you sure? Are you really sure? It's present. Okay, present. Okay, other students say the same. Is in present. Okay. The number 2, we form.
Possible.
Yes, it's possible. Okay. Possible situations. Okay, or likely situations. Remember, likely and possible has the same meaning. Okay, both of them have the same meaning. Okay, possible or likely situations. Now, the number 2, we form the first conditional with if plus the present tense or possible tense. Miss Macias. The number 2.
We form the first conditional with if plus the present tense and will or want plus infinitive.
Very good, present tense. Okay, remember, always we start with if, we have to use then present tense. Okay, very good. Now let's check the answers. Okay, very good. What time is it? Okay, we have 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, the number 4 over here, match each sentence beginning with its ending. Okay, beginning from 1 to 6 and ending from A to E. Okay, so over here we have to match. The number 1 say if you don't exercise. Number 2, you'll be tired tomorrow. Okay. Okay, now let's start. The answers, okay? We have you'll get wet if he doesn't go to school today, if you don't go to bed now, if we don't wash our hands, you won't get fit, and the last one, I'll feel sick. Okay, you have to match with these clauses, okay, with these ones. Okay, there are 6. Okay, let's start with number 1. If you don't exercise, Mr. Verde Soto, okay, what do we use? You'll get wet if he doesn't go to school today. If you don't go to bed now, if we don't wash our hands, you won't get fit, or I'll feel sick. What do you think, Mr. Verde Soto? What is the correct option? The number 1, if you don't exercise. Read the options.
You
Identify what is the correct option.
letter F.
F.
Sí. Yes.
Okay, you say F. Okay. Other students say the same. Is it F or is the other one? It's the F. Okay. Now number 2. You'll be tired tomorrow, Miss Calderon. Emily, what is the correct option? You'll be tired tomorrow. we use you'll get wet if he doesn't go to school today, if we don't wash our hands, or you won't get fit, or the last one, I'll feel sick. What is the correct option? Instagram. Emily. You don't know. Okay.
B.
E. Okay. You won't get fit. Okay. The number 3. What will Sam do? Okay. This is a question. So, Mr. Let me see. Ok, Benalcázar, Rivas, Guerrero, Torres, Encantos. Prenda sus cámaras ahorita mismo. O los pondré en sala de espera. Cuento 3. 3. 2. Se van a sala de espera y tienen falta. 1. Ok. Goodbye. Rivas. ¿Qué pasó, Rivas? Ok. So, la señorita Cantos no prendió su cámara. Ok, tiene falta. Listo. Okay, guys, we stop here, okay? We don't have much time, only we have 6 minutes, okay? Vamos a parar aquí, chicos, porque tenemos solo 6 minutos. No se vayan a salir todavía, porque les voy a decir algo. Como siempre, cada 5 minutos me tomo para decirles algo importante. A ver, el día viernes... A ver, hoy ya solo tenemos 1 hora, mañana tenemos otro solo 1 hora. A ver. Chicos, ¿ya subieron las capturas a la plataforma del muro? ¿Sí o no? Sí. Sí. Listo. Hoy día voy a revisar. Si no han subido, qué pena. Ya después no se estén quejando, mister, ¿por qué no tengo nota acá? Ya sabes por qué. Porque si no lo sube hoy, se va a olvidar y no lo va a subir nunca, créanme. Ya me ha pasado. Ya, así que yo de ustedes voy anotando en una agendita, en un cuadernito, tengo que hacer esto, tengo que hacer lo otro. Créanme, es muy práctico, ¿ya? Y es muy fácil de hacer. ¿Qué me iba? Ah, ya. Esta semana ya es la última semana del parcial. La otra semana comenzamos lo que son ya las pruebas del primer parcial. ¿Ok? Entonces, esta semana vamos a terminar, a ver si terminamos. No vamos a terminar esto, mira. Esta unidad la vamos a ver hasta la mitad. Solo vamos a ver el first conditional. ¿Ok? La otra parte gramatical no la vamos a ver, la vemos ya en el segundo parcial. Esta semana quiero ayudarlos. ¿Cómo? Vamos a hacer review de todos los temas que hemos visto. De todo, absolutamente todo. Vamos a hacer un review de todo. Para que la semana que venga vayan papelitos a dar la prueba. ¿Ok? No sé si lo van a dar online o lo van a dar de forma física. Todavía no sé, no me han dicho. ¿Ya? Pero vayan estudiando. Vayan, está fácil, no está difícil, está súper fácil, créanme, está súper fácil. Si estudian, va a estar fácil. Si no estudian, cortada cabezas ahí. Así que por favor, chicos, estudien. Esta semana vamos a hacer repaso. Mañana seguimos con lo que es el primer condicional. Ahí seguimos el día... ¿Qué día nos vemos? El miércoles tenemos 2 horas. Ahí hacemos review de todo lo que hemos visto, desde la unidad 8, el miércoles vemos unidad 8, unidad 9, y el día viernes vemos unidad 10 y otra vez unidad 11. ¿Ok? Para hacer el repaso de todo lo que hemos visto, parte de lo que es la gramática, lo que es vocabulario, lo que es reading, vamos a practicar listening otra vez, los mismos ejercicios de los libros para que practiquen el oído. ¿Ya? Esta semana vayan practicando el oído en el listening, porque algunos fallan en esa parte. Pónganse a escuchar música en inglés, pónganse a ver películas en inglés, pónganse a ver dibujos animados en inglés. Si se van a ir a ver, no, todavía no está la película. Si se van a ir a ver la película de Resident Evil que está en los cines, véanla en inglés, ya. Todo eso, pónganlo todo en inglés. Vaya escribiendo todo en inglés para que se vaya acostumbrando, ¿ya? ¿Qué más les iba a decir? Bueno, eso nomás. Chicos, también vamos a ver lo que es esta semana los niños que no han entregado tareas. Hay niños que no han entregado todavía tareas de esta semana ni de la que ya pasó. ¿Ya? Entonces, el día miércoles que tenemos 2 horas, en la segunda hora, voy a coger para comunicarles quiénes faltan de tareas. Y en esa hora me hacen la tarea y me la envían, así como lo hicimos la otra vez. Ya, porque créanme que yo no quiero dejar a nadie, no quiero dejar a nadie, no quiero que nadie se lleve una nota menos de 7, tampoco que se va a conformar con 7. Trate de subir, trate de sacar 8, 9, 10, si es posible siempre 10, ¿ya? Que tenga excelencia académica. ¿Ok? ¿Qué más le iba a decir? Ya, eso, verán, yo no soy malo, yo soy súper chévere, a mí no me gusta dejar a nadie, yo les doy la oportunidad que ustedes puedan, que quieran tener. Ya, pero tampoco abusen. No abusen, porque les he dado mucho chance. Ya. Así mismo vamos a hacer esta semana. Los que faltan de tareas, el día miércoles, la segunda hora, hacemos eso. Ya, no se olviden de subir lo que es la captura, no se olviden de hacer las tareas. Ya, hoy día les voy a enviar tareas. Se lo voy a pasar la agenda a su tutor para que hagan los ejercicios de First Conditional en la plataforma. Emily Calderón. Sí, yes. Sí tiene asistencia. Ok, chicos, so, okay, yes. Have a good day, guys. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to do the homework, okay, guys? So, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye.